Well, Lisa and I are back up here today. Our last video was 6 months and 12 minutes of our bathroom that we finally got done after 6 excruciating months of Saturdays. So anyway, slow process, but that's where we're at. That's the way it is. Today, we got a mess, and we're just thinking about cleaning up. Lisa's not been happy for a while now. Look at that sad face. Yeah. So, we've got stuff scattered. We got a lot of cleanup to do in here, in the kitchen area, the old kitchen area. Utility room. We just got a lot of cleanup to do. A lot of cardboard here we're going to take, and we've got our trailer set out there. We're going to line the floor with cardboard. It's empty right now. We're going to put this cardboard in there and haul some glass and stuff off that we have, and just clean the floors up and get the tools all situated again. Somebody has a way of scattering tools when they work, and so today we're going to try to get that straightened out.
Organize it.
Yeah. Somebody likes to be organized, and somebody likes to be organized but isn't, usually. So let's get at it. We're going to come clean with us. We're going to do a clean with us video.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just muddling today.
Yeah. And we don't know where we're going to next in here. You might be just as surprised as us.
Right.
We don't know. Okay. Let's get to cleaning.
Let's get busy.
Okay. No junk. That's a crock, please.
That's a crock?
That's a crock.
Or
all this junk's a
or
crock. It's actually two crocks.
Ah.
One's a pressure cooker.
Instant Pot.
Instapot with no pot. It's just got a little bitty crock pot in it. It's an Instacrock.
All kinds of junk, but it's starting to look a little better.
All kinds of mouse poo over
We
here.
got mouse poo though. Gotta vacuum up. Oh. Nasty on all those electrical wires, just covered in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This stuff out here in a second, I think. After we
Okay.
vacuum those areas, we'll pull this out.
Okay.
Vacuum that.
Well, we need to put it in a different area, I guess.
What area?
I don't know. Because then that requires more cleanup. Probably. And I don't want to do any more cleanup.
We have help though. We was
Yeah,
neglecting our cleanup duties.
we were.
I'm gonna vacuum that out of there.
Okay.
And this.
Okay. Probably just need to tear it out, don't we?
It does, but it's loaded with mouse poo that I don't want falling all over me.
Yeah, I don't blame ya. Pretty nasty.
Oh, Lisa. There's a penny. We made 4 cents today. This place just keeps paying off. 1 penny at a time.
Is that right?
Yeah.
One less thing.
Jenny. These have been shut off. I shut these off when we bought the place.
That's good. It's a good thing.
Missed. May not shut off. That one's gonna keep dripping, huh?
Might. Maybe while the wall's looking like that.
Might be. Wonder what those two holes are for. A drain. That one doesn't shut off though. There, maybe it did.
Ooh. Pretty pitiful shut-off valves, aren't they?
Yep. Now, if the cold leaks, it'll leak into the hot.
Okay. That works.
So now, if we don't have hot water, we'll know it's because the cold water is leaking into it.
Oh.
I don't know why when we was doing the other cleanup demo that we didn't clean those out when we was hauling
Yeah, I
loads of
don't
stuff
know
out.
either.
I think we was just sick of it.
Yeah.
Anyway, that'll be a lot better. We can figure out what to do. We've got a bit of an issue here that we want to move our washer dryer, but here's my electric panel. So it's kind of hard to know what to do with it. Nothing comes in from up above, so we could actually move it a little. It would just have to go lower probably. Or put extensions on it in the box and put it to a wall somewhere. That's what we might do.
Have it facing out this way
Yeah.
toward me.
Yeah.
Would that work at all?
Well, would you put it above your washer or something? Is that what you're saying?
No, the washer and dryer would be over here, and then that closet more or less moved over. And then
this
that
would be
box,
facing out.
yeah.
So, but it would be in the back of your closet?
No. It'd be in the front of this closet, facing out to where you could get to it from in here in the laundry room.
So it would be on the wall.
Yes.
And then you would have a door with it, and then this would be opened into a closet behind it?
Mm-hmm. Could you do that or not?
Yeah.
I mean, it would be inside the wall, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we would just, if he's going to do that, we'd build a wall here
And put
the
it
panel
inside.
here, and
Yeah.
there's enough wire there probably to open up the floor and move it all this way, and if we had to, we could put another panel below it and extend those wires up. Because I don't really want an electric panel down here.
No, I wouldn't either.
It needs to be
Yeah.
the right height.
Where your work can work on it.
So yeah,
But that way you could get to it without having to get into the closet.
yeah. No, I don't like the way it is at all. Now you can't see in there. I was trying to figure some wiring out the other day, and you couldn't
You couldn't get
Get to
into
it.
it. Yeah.
couldn't see where your tester was at. So anyway,
Would that fix it? Fix the...
yeah, we could get it turned around here
Okay.
if you're gonna do that. And then you're
Yeah.
saying put the washer and dryer over here, and then just have a. Yep.
You're going to have to move your plumbing, though, is the part of the issue.
The not it won't amount to nothing moving it.
Okay.
It's going to need to be redone anyway. I'm not leaving that stuff
No,
there.
and I knew that that floor and everything's going to have to be redone in that
Yeah.
closet, so...
This all just needs, this whole thing needs torn out, and then we'll have to put a, I don't know, I guess there's a stud on either side of it. We'll just leave that until we get situated
Get
here
ready to move it. Okay.
And we'll just pull that all out and rewire it over, pull it down from below and back up. So I've got to redo the entrance wire anyway because there's 15 or 20 foot of it extra down there just coiled up. So I want to redo it from where it comes in and pipe it over like it should be in up.
Okay.
So plenty of it to do whatever we wanted to. But not today.
No.
Alrighty, well, we've spent our day cleaning here, and we didn't record a lot of it, but we did make quite a bit of progress. Got all of our scraps picked up and a lot of stuff taken outside. Yeah, we cleaned this laundry area that for some reason when we bought the place we demoed and never did take anything out of this area. So we cleaned both of these closets out and got the washer and dryer out of here and stored in a different room. And so I think this is about ready to do whatever we choose to do with it now. Okay, well, I believe we've got everything kind of situated, and it's kind of nice to have a clean floor and tools organized again. Lisa is, she's just really bad about dragging stuff out and leaving tools scattered everywhere when she's working on a project. And I don't know, we just kind of get by until I just say we got to clean this mess up, and then we do it, and everything works better. But anyway, I'm going to try really hard to keep her on track this next one and see how that works out. So, but we do appreciate y'all coming along. I know this was just a cleanup video, but it's part of it. It is what we fill our Saturdays with. So we appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.
See ya. Adios. Arrivederci.
Sayonara? Is sayonara?
I don't know.
Aloha is like hello and goodbye, isn't it?
Aloha.
Aloha. We're on.
We're on. We out of here.